Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on head wraps and showing y'all how I tie my head wraps just to give my hair a little bit more pop and pizzazz to my sometimes simple styles. Sometimes, you know, a puff can be a little dry, so, you know, let me just show y'all a few ways on how to just accessorize your hair just a tad bit. So let's get started.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back like you your tax, owe me back like you owe 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 your tax. Back it up, 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 back it up. Back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what you price, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you price, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Back like you owe your tax, owe me 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 back like you owe your tax. Back it up. Just to back it, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you really enjoyed it. And then if you love me, I feel like y'all do, you know what I'm saying? If y'all would like any more tutorials on how to wrap a headscarf, maybe without a puff, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do everything. Share the video, share with your mama, your daddy. He may want to get a little scarf action, your baby. You know, the baby be doing a little turban situations. You know, share with everybody. Everybody may, you know, learn a little something from this. You never know. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. So yeah, see y'all next time. Thank you.